Today, as we continue our countdown to the royal wedding, we're focusing on what the bride and groom and, of course, the Queen might have selected for their guests to dine on. You know, come to think about it, I still haven't received my invitation. Probably got lost in the mail. But whether we're invited or not, I suggest we whip up a batch of Yorkshire pudding this weekend. To make it, we combine some eggs, milk, a bit of water, flour, and a touch of salt. We whisk it all together until the batter is smooth. Then we let the batter rest for about 15 minutes. While it does, we preheat the oven to 425. Once it's up to temp, we place some empty oiled muffin tins in it. After about 5 minutes, when the pans are really hot, we carefully take them out and fill each cup about 3/4 full with our batter. And back into the oven they go. This is one of those times when it's really fun to peek through the oven window to see how they bake up. Once they're golden, give yourself the royal treatment by serving these with a thick slice of prime rib along with the pan drippings. To get the recipe for our British Yorkshire pudding, which is basically an English-style popover, as well as our roasted prime rib of beef recipe, simply visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a traditional British way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."